Let's get you and your family satisfied with our Hot Chicken Salad Casserole recipe. It's packed with flavorful ingredients to make your afternoon or dinner meals extra delicious. The first thing to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add the chicken, celery, cream of chicken soup, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, water chestnuts, lemon juice, salt, and ground black pepper into a large bowl. Mix the ingredients well, then transfer into a baking casserole. Now bake it uncovered for 35 minutes, and once baked, sprinkle over some cheddar cheese and add the water chestnuts, pimentos, and almond flakes on top. Return it to the oven and bake for another 10 minutes. Garnish with cilantro and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.